What's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking to find the volume. Let's see the question. The region are bounded by the relation x square plus y square is equal to 4 is the base of a solid. For the solid, each cross section perpendicular to the x-axis is a square. Find the volume of this solid, right? So let's see how we can find this one. So the idea here is what we do, we take this solid, right? We take this solid and cut them into squares. So here we are going to cut them into slices of squares and find each of this area, and if we add them together, that's going to give us the volume. So that's the idea of this one. So to do that, what we have to do, we have to find the area first, right? So area is going to be for a square, we know the for a square, length and height are going to be equal. If we multiply each of them, that's going to give us the area, right? So here therefore we have to find the length first, then we have to square it, right? So to find the length, the equation of the circle is given by this one right here. X square is equal plus y square equal to 4, but the equation we are going to use is volume equal integral a to b cross sectional area dx. So we had to write this one in terms of x. So here if you see x square plus y square equal to 4, so we had to convert this in terms of x. To do that, let's rearrange this equation and bring this one in terms of x. So here we are going to have y square is equal to 4 minus x square, and if I square root both sides, this is going to be y is equal to square root of 4 minus x square, right? This is going to be a y of x. So now what we can do, we can find the distance. We have to try and find the distance first. So distance is going to be right here. We know that equation of this, any line of this circle is going to be square root of 4 minus x square. So from here to here, we know that this minus this gives us this one, but since it's a length, we don't have to subtract them, right? 4 minus x square, and that's going to give us minus 4 minus x square. So if we subtract, that's going to be 0, but since it's a length, we can add them together, and that's going to be 2 times this value. So that's going to be, so we can now put everything, and also this 4 represent radius square, right? So radius is going to be 2. So this is going to be going from, this is going to go from negative 2 to plus 2, negative 2 to plus 2. That's going to be the limits of integration. So the limits of integration is going to be negative 2 to plus 2, and we have the area that is 2 square root of 4 minus x square dx. Now if we integrate this one, that's going to give us a volume. So let's do the integration. Before I do that, let's simplify this one first. This is going to be negative 2 to 2. This, if I square this one, this is going to give us 4 times 4 minus x square dx. So let's multiply everything and see what we get. Negative 2 to 2, 16 minus 4x square dx, right? Now we can do the integration. So this is going to be 16x minus 4x cubed divided by 3, going from negative 2 to 2. If I substitute plus 2, this is going to give us 16 times 2 minus 4 times 2 cubed divided by 3 minus 16 times negative 2 is going to be negative 32 minus 4 times negative 2 cubed divided by 3, right? So that's what we have. Let's simplify this one right here. So let's continue. Here we have 32 minus 2 cube is going to be 8. 8 times 4 is going to be 32. 32 divided by 3. Then minus we have negative 32 minus negative 2 cube is going to be negative 8. Negative 8 times 4 is going to be negative 32. since we have negative right here, negative become positive, so this is going to be plus 32 divided by 3. So let's simplify this one, everything. Let's get rid of this bracket. So this is going to give us 32 minus 32 divided by 3. Negative become positive, so this is going to be plus 32, then negative plus positive is going to be negative 32 divided by 3, and if we add them together, this is going to give us 64 plus 64 minus 64 divided by 3, and if I multiply this one by 3, this is going to give us 192 minus 64. 192 minus 64 is what? 128. Yeah, 128 divided by 3. So that's going to be the final answer. That's the volume of this solid right here. I hope you guys liked this video. Thanks for watching.